And have you noticed that Mselegu visits everyone's houses except Makumalo's? You know why? Because he bought those other two houses. He can control those wives in those situations. But Makumalo's house, everything belongs to her, and he feels like less of a man because he cannot control the situation. And then Makumalo finds him at Mangwabe's house playing Happy Family after he said he wouldn't be visiting their houses. The betrayal, the lies. She's being isolated and punished simply because she won't help Makwela with her money.
Saretsa dipari a re bana ba hao sa toketsa ngwana o lokile iso wena.
Where is Mselegu's pride though? Why are you fetching Makumalo's neighbor and then asking for her assistance? Makwela and Mselegu truly deserve each other. They really do. Makwela thought she hit the jackpot. She thought Mselegu was financially loaded. She thought Makwela had all the money, which is why she got close to him. Plot twist, Makumalo is the one with the financial upper hand. Now Makwela is learning the hard way that pride pays no bills and there's no soft life without work. Sis, these women work hard to be where they are. Makwela's I don't care attitude is the reason she's not living the soft life she wanted. Welcome to reality, baby girl. Wake up. Look, at the end of the day, this whole situation is sad, it's toxic, it's unhealthy. Makumalo deserves so much better than this. She deserves respect, she deserves love, she deserves a partner who lifts her up instead of tearing her down. But will she live? That's the million-dollar question. All I know is that I'll be watching with my popcorn, my tea, and my opinions ready for the next episode. Alright, fam, that's all I have for today. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Do you think Makumalo should leave? Do you think Mselegu will ever change? Is Makwela going to regret her choices? Spill the tea in the comments, and if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of the drama. I'll see you in the next one. Stay blessed, stay unbothered, and remember, know your worth, sis. Bye.